Okay guys, what have I got for you today? It is a sweet aromatic beef dish, and I'm cooking this one in two stages. The first part is marinating the beef overnight and then on with the cooking the following day. Here we go then. So you'll need some beef thinly sliced. I'm using fillet steak again. Any steak could do, sirloin or a piece of flank. Fillet steak's on offer at my local butcher's at the moment, so why not? And for the marinade itself, we got some hoisin sauce, dark soy sauce, rice wine. I'm trying potato starch with this one, but cornflour will do. Put your marinade ingredients into a bowl. I'm using a big Pyrex jug for this one, it takes up less room in the fridge. No measuring, roughly about a tablespoon of each. And a teaspoon of the starch. Like I said, you can use corn flour. Stir the marinade to get all the bits mixed together, especially the starch. I found that the potato starch dissolves very quickly compared to corn flour. Smart to remember in future. In with the beef. Give it all a mega good mix in. Get every bit coated and in the fridge now at least 2 hours. Preferably overnight if you can, and I left it overnight. That's why it's in two parts. You can get your hands in there, give it a good massage in, but a fork did for me, so there you go. This dish will comfortably serve 2 people, and as always I'll put the ingredients and the method in the description down below. So we need some dark soy sauce, rice wine vinegar, tomato sauce, hoisin sauce, oil for cooking in, and of course a marinated beef. And we got some spring onions, a Romano red pepper, an onion, half a green pepper and some sugar. When I say the method, there's not an awful lot to this. If you haven't already done so, finish off the prep of your veg. I'm cutting the spring onions into about inch pieces, 2 centimetres. I'd normally use more of the greens, but they were a bit wilted, shall we say. Slice your onion. I'm doing these top to bottom, stem to root. There's 2 or 3 ways to slice an onion, and we'll discuss this further. But going top to bottom doesn't cut so many of the oval onion cells, and it gives a sweeter taste. I only wanted half a green pepper for this one. If you like green peppers, use the whole thing. Take the top off, take the seeds out and a bit of the membrane, and then cut it into slices. And same again with the Romano pepper. Now you could use a red bell pepper for this, but do seek out Romano peppers. Very, very sweet, and this is a sweet dish. Okay then, all done. Time to start cooking. Loads of oil in the wok, and I'm testing it with a bit of beef just to see if it's ready. We're up to about 180 Celsius, and as you'll hear, cooking straight away. Lovely. Now if you use a lot of oil, you'll want to drain this after you finish cooking the beef to cook the veg. I used just enough and I left the oil in the wok. Only takes about a minute to flash fry this. When the beef is cooked through, take it out of the wok or the pan into a container and set it to one side. This is where you drain off the excess oil if you had any. Time for the veg. In with the spring onions, in with the onions, and give these a good frying. About 2 minutes, I think. Yeah, 2 minutes. Break the onions up. It doesn't take long, like I said, a couple of minutes. I think I've mastered this wok on the new induction hob now. I had it turned up too high. Well, yeah, what do you expect? And once they're cooked, it's in with the peppers. And once again, get everything cooked through. Time to add the sauce ingredients, so it's in with the hoisin sauce. This may look a lot, but I'm using half a tablespoon measure here. In with the tomato ketchup. Rice wine vinegar. And dark soy sauce. And then mix it all in. Sprinkle over the sugar. And then it's back in with the beef. Give it about another minute just to get the beef warmed through. And we're ready to serve. Wow. A quick clean up of the bowl for the stills photos, and it's time to get stuck in. Sweet aromatic beef. Oh, that is good. Liking that one. It's funny how the ingredients are all so similar and yet the taste is totally different. Oh. I'm even liking the green pepper in this one. Yeah, another keeper, guys. I'm loving this.